VTech Security Systems Limited is the world's leading supplier of security solutions in China. Our products have been used in more than 48 countries, including hotels, commercials, offices, hospitals, residences, with innovative technologies and security solutions, which bring the safety and convenience to people's lives. VTech was founded in 1992. We are located in Shunde High-Tech Zone with more than 30,000 square meter factory. More than just a shining appearance. And our main products have passed the ANSI BHMA Grade 2 test, CE test, CE Fire Rated test. VTech Vision RFID Series Door Lock V3 combines golden plating technology. Instead of decorations, V3 has a flat and straight shape and shining color. The surface of V3 is made by zinc alloy, which was powdered by nanometer materials technology. By using this technology, it not only makes the appearance of V3 smooth and glossy, but also provides better resistance to abrasion, hardness, and have a longer lifetime. In salt spray test, V3 has worked in the test for 120 hours, which is 1.5 times longer than national standard in China. The screen of VTech V3 is made by acrylic. Its hardness reaches 5H and is hard wearing. No scratches even in long-term usage. In the aspect of unlocking, VTech V3 has two authorization openings. One, in the normal mode, it can be unlocked by key cards and code inputting. Two, in the safe mode, it can be unlocked by inputting two groups of codes. Or unlocking with two keycards. Or one keycard with one code. Besides, V3 has random code function that prevents decoding. The random 2 digits will be shown when the lock is initiated. You cannot input any codes until you enter the random numbers, which avoids decoding by the remaining fingerprints on the screen. V3 uses Class B blade lock cylinder, high safety, low mutual unlocking rate, great difficulty in illegal unlocking. Its cylinder is anti-drilling and less likely to be damaged. The V3 cannot be opened when cylinder is drilled or twisted with violence. In the aspect of lock case, V3 has AN2 patented electric anti-theft lock case, which is developed by VTech. It reaches up to 1 million operating time, operating live through testing. VTech V3 has an industrial breakthrough by designing lock case with manganese steel and 304 stainless steel. The front plate is made by manganese steel, which is a special type of steel with hardness and high anti-friction. It's mainly applied in a harsh environment of impacting, squeezing, and scratching. For instance, the shocking proof in heavy truck is made of manganese steel. The latch can bear more than 5,300 Newton and 6,000 Newton for deadbolt, which is same as putting objects weight 530 kilograms and 600 kilograms on the extending latch and deadbolt without any deformation, and can be used normally. This design not only meets the operating requirements of heavy doors, but also effectively prevents the latch from deformation. that leads to failure of opening or closing the door because of the door is blasted by wind and slamming. VTech is the leading manufacturer of circuit boards. We possess SMT machine and wave solder machine for production of circuit boards compared to traditional handicraft. We have higher automation, which ensures the stability of product quality. We also use sealing technique in production of circuit boards, which reaches the high standards of resistance to moisture, fog, and rain, and ensures the high quality and stability of products. In the aspect of product structure, VTech V3 is using a penetration-type design of cylinder and the technology of rear-mounted circuit board. It cannot be opened even if the front panel is violently pried. Meanwhile, V3 has alarm function. When people try to break the lock, the alarm system will be initiated and emits alarm. We should make sure the direction of the door lock before installation: right push, left pull, and right pull. When the information of door is confirmed, we should measure the thickness of the door. This would help to choose proper accessories. When door lock and accessories are ready, we can start the drilling based on the 1-to-1 drilling template in the packing box. After the drilling, we install lock case on the door. Please notice that the wires should be leaded. Please notice that the wires should be led to the direction of circuit board. And then screw the lock case. We can also screw diagonally, helping to stabilize the lock case. And then insert the cylinder. And insert handle spindle, knob spindle as well. When the insertion is finished, we should make sure the master control wire of front body goes from front hole to the back, and then mount the front body as the front handle spindle and door hole. Screw the front body. When front body is fixed, we connect the master control wire and the motor wire of lock case to the circuit board in back body and put all the wires in the door hole, in case of the wires being squeezed when installing back body. Then put the back body as the back handle spindle and screw the back body to the front. After the installation of V3, we can start the setting. First of all, open the battery box and we can see the button of reset. Press the reset button for 2 seconds with a thin stick. If there are 3 beep sounds, meaning the lock is initialized successfully, we can release the reset button. At this moment, the lock cannot be locked. After initialization, touch the lock with a MasterCard. The lock will emit beep sounds for 3 times, meaning that the MasterCard is authorized. Meanwhile, the lock will lock automatically for the user card setting. We put the MasterCard to the lock. Under lock the status, it will be unlocked. Then put user card to the lock within 6 seconds. The lock will emit beep once and the 123 digit light on. How to set a code? Put the MasterCard to the lock under lock the status, and then put it again within 6 seconds. While it is unlocking, it will beep once and the 123 digit light on. Press 1 or 2 and put the unset card. The lock beep once with a blue light flashing, which means authorization is done successfully. Press 3 and enter your code, 4 to 9 digits. then press number key to confirm. When the lock beeps 3 times, the user code is set. How to delete user card. Case 1. Delete certain user card. Under lock the status, put the master card to the lock and put it again within 6 seconds while the lock is unlocked. It will beep once and numbers 1, 2, 3 light on. Press 1 or 2 in which group the card belongs to. Then put the card you want to delete. When it beeps 3 times, the user card is deleted. Case 2. Delete all user cards. Under locked status, put the master card and it is unlocking. Put the master card again while unlocking. It beeps once. And numbers 1, 2, 3 light on. Press 1 or 2 in which group the cards belong to and put the master card again. Case 3. Certain cards are lost and need to be reported. In this case, you should delete all your user cards at case 2 and then reprogram other user cards. How to set passenger status. Touch the screen with hands, enter random codes and press 1 for 4 seconds. After one single tone beep, then put master card. When T-shaped numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 0 are shown, the passenger status is set. How to set non-passenger status. Under passenger status, touch the screen with hands, enter random codes and press 1 for 4 seconds. After one single tone beep, then put master card. When the O-shaped numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9 star O number are shown. How to set safety mode. In safety mode, you have to enter 2 groups of ID to unlock the lock. 2 cards, 2 groups of codes, or 1 card and 1 code. The steps are: under passenger status, touch screen with hand. Enter random codes and press star for 4 seconds. After one beep sound, then put the master card. While 1 to 9 digits flash and beep sound is emitted, safety mode is on. In the same way, to set the normal mode, touch screen with hand, enter random code, and press star for 4 seconds. After beep sound is emitted, then put master card, while 4, 5, 6 digits flash and it beeps 2 times. Normal mode is on. Put the card close to the sensor area within 16 mm. Then turn the handle to unlock after following music. Unlock with user code. Touch the screen, enter random codes plus the correct user code and finish with star. Then turn the handle to unlock after following music.